Welcome back to the G.O.A.T channel. We are the Disc Golf Edition again. Virginia Highlands Community College Disc Golf course. This is the go-to course, so close. Now we're gonna be aiming for number 2's basket down there. We're just gonna measure our throws using new disc, see what my longest is. My longest here is over 430 something. Let's see if we can do any better than that. We are aiming for hole 2, which I'll try to zoom in a minute. And that's where we're going. I'm gonna go judge putter first. We're going what I think will be the shortest to the longest. That one always rolls over on me, so I'm not too worried about that one. We got our mid-range suspect up next. I got to get it out of the air though. That's the issue. I got to get it down on it. That was pretty pitiful. Truth mid-range up next. That's probably my better throw. I didn't get a lot into it, but it stayed flat. Up next, Buzz Discraft. Got a new disc. Those are looking good. I'm just not getting really a lot into them as I need to. But that one don't travel far. All right, on to our longer disc. We got the DDX C-Line distance driver. Pulled it a little. That one should be fairly decent distance. I think I can get more than that into it though. We're going with our striker latitude. Oh, left down and out early. That's a terrible throw. Terrible throw. Awful. After my trash throw the last one, we're going Star Vulcan this time. Maybe we can break through and get down on it. A little short. I know I couldn't get it all the way to the basket. I'll tell you how far that is in a little bit. But let's go mark them off. All right, coming to the first throw. I think that one was about 266. About 263. It was the striker, so it was not the best. I mean, it was probably the shortest one. I'm gonna go up to one more short one. Here's our Buzz. Our Buzz looks like it was about 254. So another shorter one, 260-ish, I guess, after it keeps going up. Up to our Escape, which was about 317 straight, which is nice. Straighter the better, obviously. Going up to our rolling putter. It looks like our rolling putter was about 290 area. Next up, felt like this one was a little further than that. Our truth mid-range went about 333. I know I got one up here on the hill. Coming up to our DDXC line. We are about 411 with it. And the Star Vulcan should be down here. And it's really not that far. It looked like it was going to go further. Good thing about it though, it was probably the straightest one I threw. Not the farthest, but the straightest at about 406 feet. Unfortunately, these are downhill. So we're missing one disc, and after I find it, I'll measure it for you. I'm pretty sure it's fairly short. But 400 straight was our best, and like 410 or something up on the hill. Coming up to our very last one was a really short one. I think I got this one way up in there is what was the issue. And it was at 244. Nah. Probably about 220, 215 I would say. It was real soft. And I can't throw those as far, but I do like this disc now on certain holes with certain throws. So again, the furthest was the Star Vulcan, or furthest straightest was Star Vulcan. Furthest was the DDX orange C line. And you know, this was the GO.A.T channel. As always, if you like the stuff, subscribe. Until next time.